Are chia seeds good for you? Chia seeds are not as harmless as they look. Sure, people say they're a superfood, but if you're using them wrong, they can mess with your digestion, your meds, and your energy. And here's the part nobody tells you. That tiny spoonful could be working against you. Let's break it all down. They're everywhere, in smoothies, puddings, yogurts, energy bars. Everyone's calling chia seeds a superfood. But if you've ever eaten them and thought, wait, I don't feel any different, or worse, you felt worse, most people think, if it's in health food, it must be healthy. But how you prepare chia makes all the difference. But when you use them wrong, not only do you lose the benefits, you might end up bloated, backed up, or just wondering why your superfood isn't doing anything. You're not alone. The truth is, most people use chia seeds the wrong way. So let's break down the facts, the good, the bad, and what you need to know to use chia right. Here's the deal. Just throwing chia seeds into your food doesn't magically make it healthier. Most people don't prepare them properly. They eat them dry, they eat too much, or they take them at the wrong time. And when you do that, you miss the benefits, or even trigger digestive problems like bloating, cramping, or constipation. Chia seeds aren't dangerous, but they are powerful. And if you're not careful, that power backfires. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to unlock chia's full health potential, without the nasty side effects people never warn you about. Before we dive into how to use them the right way, let's quickly look at why they became such a big deal in the first place. What are chia seeds, really? Chia seeds come from a desert plant called Salvia hispanica, native to Mexico. They've been around since ancient times. Aztec warriors even used them for energy and endurance. Today, they're packed with fiber, omega-3s, protein, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Just 2 tablespoons give you 11 grams of fiber and more omega-3s than salmon gram for gram. Pretty impressive, right? But there's a catch. The number one chia mistake. Most people eat them dry, and that's a big mistake. Chia seeds absorb water, up to 12 times their weight, and turn into a gel. Eat them dry, and they'll start expanding in your stomach. That can lead to gas, bloating, and even a choking hazard if you're not hydrated. In fact, there have been ER visits because people ate dry chia and then chugged water. So how do you fix it? Soak your chia seeds. Let them sit in water, almond milk, or juice for at least 20 to 30 minutes. That way, they expand before they hit your stomach, and your body can digest them properly. Real benefits, if used right. Now let's talk about the real health benefits and why chia seeds are worth eating if you do it right. 1. Better digestion. Because they're packed with soluble fiber, chia seeds help keep things moving in your gut. They act like a sponge, soaking up toxins and pushing waste out of your system. If you're feeling backed up, chia can be the gentle reset you need. 2. Blood sugar support. Chia slows down how fast sugar hits your bloodstream. This helps balance energy levels and may prevent blood sugar crashes, especially helpful if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic. Tip: add chia to your morning oatmeal to lower the glucose spike. 3. Weight loss support. That gel-forming fiber makes you feel full. You eat less, snack less, and stay satisfied longer, all without starving yourself. Studies have shown people who add chia to their diet naturally reduce calories over time. In fact, one 12-week study found chia helped reduce belly fat and curb appetite, without changing anything else in the diet. 4. Heart and brain protection. Chia seeds contain ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation is behind so many health problems: heart disease, brain fog, joint pain. And chia helps fight all of them with just a tablespoon or 2 a day. Just keep in mind, your body doesn't absorb plant-based ALA the same way it does fish-based omega-3s like DHA and EPA. So if you're plant-based, consider adding algae oil alongside chia to get the full brain benefits. 5. Bone health. Surprisingly, chia seeds are rich in calcium and magnesium, nutrients many people don't get enough of. 2 tablespoons of chia have more calcium than a glass of milk. So if you're cutting dairy, chia can help fill that gap. Who should avoid or be cautious? You don't want your healthy habit interfering with your meds. Always ask, just to be safe. As good as chia seeds are, they're not for everyone. Here's who should think twice. 1. Sensitive digestive systems. If you have IBS, Crohn's, or a sensitive gut, start slow. Too much fiber at once can irritate your system. Begin with half a teaspoon and work up. 2. Low blood pressure. Chia can slightly lower blood pressure, which is great unless yours is already low. Watch out for lightheadedness or fatigue. 3. People on blood thinners. Chia has omega-3s, which can thin the blood slightly. If you're on medications like warfarin, check with your doctor first. 4. Dehydrated or low water diets. If you don't drink enough water, chia seeds can cause constipation instead of helping it. Always drink a full glass of water with your chia. Best way to eat chia. So, what's the best way to eat chia seeds? Try this. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with half a cup of almond milk. Let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes or overnight. Add a pinch of cinnamon, berries, or a drop of honey. You've got a fiber-rich, omega-packed snack that actually helps your body, not harms it. You can also add soaked chia to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Just make sure it's fully expanded before you eat. Here's the bottom line. Chia seeds can be a superfood, but only if you respect them. Eat them dry, take too much, or skip water, and you'll regret it. But prep them right, use them wisely, and they can genuinely boost your digestion, brain, heart, and overall wellness. The power of food isn't just in what you eat, it's in how your body can actually use it. Product tip. If you're looking for a clean, safe option, try Viva Naturals organic chia seeds. Non-GMO, pesticide-free, and super affordable. You can find them on Amazon or in most health stores. So, are chia seeds good for you? Yes. If you soak them, start slow, drink plenty of water, and listen to your body. Used the right way, they're an amazing tool for anyone focused on holistic health. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up so others stop making chia mistakes. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more straight talk, no fluff health videos.